Dear students, in this video we will just understand our lesson number 6 more on Java. So if you'll see in your book, the first topic of this is elements of your Java programs. So we have basically 5 main elements of our Java program, which I am going to explain you one by one in this video. So first comes your variables or also known as identifiers. Okay, since it identifies or give the identity, that is why it is known as a identifier. Okay, basically your variables are the named memory locations which are created in the main memory of the computer. And what is their main purpose? They are used to store the data or the value in computer's memory. Okay, now number 2 is your keywords. So my dear students, keywords are also called the reserve words, which are having specific meaning in Java. Okay, wherever you will use them, they will give that specific meaning or they will do that specific task only. Please remember, keywords cannot be a variable or a identifier. And the example of your keyword is int. Okay, all those words which change their color, they are called your keywords. Okay, most of them are the keywords like int, float, main, etc. All these are the keywords. All right. Number 3 is your constants. Constants or literals, one and the same thing. Now, what is the main use of your constants and literals? Constants and literals, they are used to have a constant value or a fixed value. The variable's value may change, but the constant's value remain same or fixed. Okay, so that is why we use constants. And if you want to make any variable as constant, you will simply write final keyword before that. You'll write final int a equal to 5. So now the value of a will remain 5 throughout the program. It is not going to be changed since it has become a constant. Alright. Next element is operators. Operators are actually the symbols or signs which are used for doing the operations on the value. We can have number of operators like arithmetic operator. Okay. Then we can have logical operators and relational operators. These all are our operators. Okay, now arithmetic operators are used to solve the arithmetical problems. Logical are used to compare between the two values. So and, or, and, not are your logical operators, and arithmetic operators are plus, minus, division. All these are your arithmetic operators. And relational operators are which shows the relation. So it can be greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, etc. Okay, so these are your operators. And the last element is your comment. Comments are actually the non-executable statements. Okay, these statements are not going to be executed. Fine. Like I am making a program and I want to keep it as a comment, means I am just keeping it for my sake, for my knowledge. So I can make that as a single line comment. I am writing program for practice. Okay, so this is my comment, means it is just for my knowledge. It will be in gray color and it is not going to execute when you will run the program. Okay, so we have single line comment and document comment or multi-line comment. All right, so these are the basic elements of your Java program.